The all-new Honda Civic HEV has been awarded the maximum 5-star rating in the latest Euro NCAP safety tests. To meet stringent Euro NCAP crash impact safety standards for adult occupant protection, the Civic's body incorporates a number of structural braces to enhance the overall passive safety of the vehicle. This includes additional front door stiffeners and rear wheel arch frames that improve side impact performance. In addition to the stronger, more protective chassis, all trim variants of the new Civic incorporate a total of 11 airbags as standard, including knee airbags for both front occupants, to reduce injury during front impacts, and side airbags to protect front and rear seat passengers. A front center airbag features for the first time, which prevents a collision between the driver and front passenger during a side impact. Embodying Honda's commitment to zero road fatalities involving any of its products by 2050, the 11th generation Civic features a number of improved and upgraded technologies to achieve one of the highest level of passenger and pedestrian safety in its class. This level of protection is extended to all occupants of the all-new Civic, not just adults. The car also scored well in the child occupant protection category, thanks to the integrated ISO fixed mounting points that conform to the latest European I-size standards. The 11th generation Civic is also considerate of vulnerable road users and pedestrians, and is fitted with newly designed front bumper beam safety plates. These are designed to absorb impact energy, reducing the risk of leg fractures and knee ligament damage for pedestrians in the event of a collision.